Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will create a little fantasy sketch with a fountain pen. This drawing will have a tree, so we will begin with that. The trunk and branches of the tree are rarely curving. They are straight or they may change direction, but mainly with straight sections. This tree will have branches on both sides, but leaves mainly only on the left. On the right, I'll draw only a few high branches with no leaves. And let's draw the ground with some little trees or plants to indicate that our main tree is very high, very tall. And from that branch we will have a swing, a long swing, with a little girl or boy on it. Okay, and we said that the branches on the left would have leaves, so we draw them. If you are new, I want to invite you to follow me on Instagram @artistleonardo to see my new works of art. Very good, excelente, we are almost there. Now, on the right side, we will draw many birds that are flying from the branches. So this may make the public wonder if all the leaves were actually birds. We can draw a couple standing there, and more flying. I use the back of this beautiful Montegrappa pen nib to do this because it draws thinner than the front, which in this case is a wide, that is a bold nib. All the materials that I am using is in the description below the video. Notice that the strings of the swing are not parallel, but they are farther away from each other on top, and they are getting closer together up to the point where the kid is holding them. And then they go wider again. Let's fill in the ground now. And if you made it all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please in the comments write me the secret code, the tall swing. And if you can, also please let me know what do you think this drawing means. And it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already, and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.